Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tajipsa, my dear students. And today is fourth maths class. Is this what? Fourth maths class, dear. So, dear, we started a chapter number 12. We started a chapter number 12 time. Chapter number 12, time. And my dear students, telling the time next hour, we already started two types of the time wave. What, my dear students? Two types of the time wave we had done in the last session. So now we will move on further topic, my dear students. But before starting, as per regularly, we are going to learn the term of times, means day, year. What is the term of day and what is the term of minutes? That all things we are going to do the revision first, and then after we will move on further, my dear all students. Understood, all of you, what I am telling you? We are going to learn that all things here. Understood? So now, my dear students, before starting our topic, let's check here today's quote, and then after we will move on further. So now I am going to present here today's quote, my dear all students. So let's check today's quote. What is the today's quote, my dear students? Two most powerful warriors, two most powerful warriors are patience and time. Got my points all, dear? Two most powerful warriors are patience and time. Understood, my dear all students? Okay, so now we will move on further our session. First of all, we are going to solve this term. Okay, 1 year is equal to how many days, all dear students? 1 year is equal to 365 days. So as per we know, first of all, I'll give you time. You note down these all things in your book and keep it with you, your textbook, rough book, or my dear students, important things, compass box or any other equipments. I'll give you time, my dear all students. Do fast. I hope you all are taken this all things all dear. 1 year is equal to 365 days, and 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Got my points all dear? So you have to note down the all things in your book, dear. So note down these all things in your book, my dear. And then after which step is next? 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes. Then after you have to write your own self next term. Do fast, all dear. You have to write the next term. And then after 1 minute, then after, my dear students, 1 minute is equal to 16 seconds. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, all dear. Do fast, my dear students. You have to write in each and every lecture this term. In compulsory you have to remember these things. And then after what, my dear students, you have to write the whole things in your book. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students, this term. Okay, now we will going to start our chapter, and where we are going to reach in last session, my dear all students. So my dear all students, now we will move on. Our chapter is what? First of all, we are going to revision of telling time to the next hour. So these things we had done in next session, but again I am going to repeat for you all, dear. You have to note down the whole things in your book, dear. So first is what, my dear students? Here is, this is 2 clock. How many clocks? 2 clocks. And my dear students, we have to telling time in 2 ways. Okay, how many ways? 2 ways, all dear. So what is the time of the first clock, all my dear students? Small hand is, see, the small hand is between 1 or 2 digit, means 1 or 2 digit. Okay, so 1 o'clock and minute clock is on a 7, it's 35 minutes, it shows a 35 minutes. So what is the time, my dear students? 1 hour and 35 minutes. So what we are going to be called, my dear students? We are going to call is what? 1 o'clock and 35 minutes. And different way is what? 35 minutes past 1 o'clock. What, my dear? 35 minutes past 1 o'clock, dear. Understood? Then after, here is a 25 minutes. Here is a 25 minutes to a 2 o'clock. See, the same time, 1:35. But what we are going to say in other term? We are going to say in other term is a 25 minutes to left for a 2 o'clock. Got my points, my dear all students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, all dear. You have to write all things in your book. Got my points? Note down these things in your book, my dear. And then after we will move on further. 1:35. Okay, 1 o'clock and 35 minutes. So what we are going to telling? What we are going to telling, my dear all students? See here this clock. 35 minutes past 1 o'clock. 35 minutes past 1 o'clock. Got my points, all dear students? And here is what? 25 minutes to 2 o'clock. Means 25 minutes are left for a 2 o'clock. Got my point, all dear students? Now let's check. We will move on the second time or clock. So what is the time in this clock, my dear students? Properly observe what as per I was told you, dear. Understood? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Note down the all things in your book. Do fast. First is here, see, where is the small hand? Small hand is on 2. Where is on 2? Got my points, all dear? Small hand is on 2, my dear all students. Okay, small hand is on a 2, dear. And a minute hand is, means a large hand is on a 8. So 8 is presenting 14 minutes. Okay, so time is what? 1:40. So 40 minutes past 1 o'clock, means after a 1 o'clock 40 minutes is gone. What, all dear? After a 40 minutes. So all my dear students, what we say in other term? 40 minutes past 1 o'clock. And here is what, my dear students? 20 minutes to 2 o'clock. Means 20 minutes are left for 2 o'clock. Understood, all my dear students? So note down this clock and time, my dear students. Also do fast. I hope you all are understood, all dear. Understood? So note down these things in your book. So my dear students, I hope you have done these things. Now let's check a further clock, all dear. What is the time of this clock, all dear? Let's check with me. Here is a small hand is on where? Small hand is on a 2, and a large hand, minute hand is on where? Minute hand is on where? On 9. Got my points, all my dear students? So time is on where? All my dear students, time is minute hand is where? On 9. And 9 is what? Present. 9 is going to be a present. 9 is going to be a present of what, my dear students? 45. Okay, it shows a 45 minutes. Understood, all my dear students? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, all dear. So note down the answer in your book, dear. Do fast. So 45 minutes past 1 o'clock means 1:45. Understood, all dear? Note down the answer in your book. Do fast. And in other term, after 1 clock, 45 minutes is gone. Okay, and then here is what, all my dear students? Here is what, all my dear students? Here is same time, 1:45. But we can say in other term, 50 minutes to 2 o'clock. 15 minutes to 2 o'clock. Okay, and what is the other time? Quarter to 2. Okay, quarter to 2 o'clock. Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, quarter to 2 o'clock means 15 minutes to left for 2 o'clock. Got my points? 15 minutes left for 2 o'clock. Understood, all? Note down the answer, all dear. I hope you all are understood, all dear. Note down the all things in your book, dear. Do fast, and then we will move on further, all dear. You have to write the times in both ways. Understood, all of you? You have to write all things in your book, dear. Do fast. Okay, so now let's check. We are going to move on other clock. So now let's check what is the time of this clock, all dear. 1:50. What, my dear students? 1:50. Understood, all? Time is what? 1:50. Okay, so note down these things in your book, dear. Do fast. So 1:50. Okay, so 15 minutes past 1 o'clock. How many minutes past, my dear students? 15 minutes. Meaning after 1 o'clock, 15 minutes is gone. Got my points, all dear? After 1 o'clock, 15 minutes is gone, my dear all students. Understood? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, all dear. So you have to note down the answer in your book, dear. And then here the same time, 1:50. Okay, same time 1:50. But what we can say in other term? We are going to say in other term 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. Means 10 minutes there are left for 2 o'clock. Got my points, all? Understood? I hope you all are understood. So my dear students, what I am telling you, 10 minutes left for 2 o'clock. Understood, all of you? 10 minutes left for 2 o'clock. Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Note down the answer in your book. Do fast. And then I am going to move. I am going to start a further clock. Understood, all? Okay. So now let's check further time. What is the time is here, my dear all students? 55 minutes. 55 minutes past 1 o'clock. Means time is what? 1:55. Time is what, my dear students? 1:55. You have to note down the answer in your book, all dear. Do fast. Time is what? Time is, my dear all students, time is 1:55. Got my points all? So note down the answer. What we can say in term? 55 minutes past 1 o'clock. 55 minutes past 1 o'clock. Got my points all dear? And then here 5 minutes to 2 o'clock. How many minutes left, my dear all students? 5 minutes to 2 o'clock. Means 5 minutes left for 2 o'clock. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Note down the answer in your book, dear. Understood all? Okay, so now one more thing I am going to be telling you here. Remember these things, dear. Remember, dear, remember the time is always written with the two dots separating the hours and the time. Got my points? That is a very important things for us. I am going to present here and show you. So all my dear students, remember the time is always written with the two dots separating the hours and minutes. As like that, my dear students, for example, now time is 12 o'clock. So what I am going to be present here? 12 o'clock. Okay, otherwise 12:30. So 12 I am going to put here the 12. Okay, then after, my dear students, what? It's a hour. After hour we are going to be put a what? Two separating dots. See, separating dots. And we are going to put the dots after hours and before a minutes. Okay, 12 is what? Hours. Then after we are going to separating dots 2. And then after write a 30. It's going to be a present at 30 is what? Minutes. 30 minutes. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. You have to note down the all answer in your book. Do fast. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you. You have to note down the all things in your book. Understood? Again I am going to repeat for you, my dear students. Remember the time. Remember the time is written with the two dots separating the hours and the minutes. Separating hours and the minute. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood, all dear. You have to note down the answer in your book, dear. And you have to write these separating things in our book. Understood all? So now, my dear students, what I am telling you, you have to write. We have to write this important note. Understood all? Note down these things in your book, my dear. So now we will move on further, all my dear students. Next topic is what? Reading a time to the exact minute. That things we have done. Okay, my dear students. In a previous lecture, I was draw that watch as like that. Okay, my dear all students, what is this? This is shows a proper time. This clock will be going to show a proper timing. Okay, 5 minutes is going to be a 5 is going to be present. 1 is going to be present a 5 minutes. 2 is presenting a 10 minutes. 3 is present a 15 minutes, and 4 is present a 20 minutes. Understood, all of you? Got my points? What I am telling you, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. So you have to note down the one things in your book. What all, dear students? 1 is presenting a 5 minutes. 1 is present in 5 minutes. 2 is going to be a present at 10 minutes. 3 is going to be a present at what? 3 is going to be a present at 15 minutes. 4 is going to be a present at 20 minutes. 5 is going to be present at 25 minutes. Then after 6 is representing at 30 minutes. And then after 7 is going to be a present at 35 minutes. and 8 going to be a present of 4014 minutes. And then after 9 is going to be a present of 45 minutes, and 10 is going to be a present of 15 minutes, and 11 is going to be present of 55 minutes, and 12 is going to be a present of 16 minutes. Understood? Got my points, all my dear students? You have to note down the answer in your book. Do fast. And our topic is what? Reading a time to exact a minute. What, my dear students? Reading a time to the exact minute. So far you have been reading a time to 5 minutes. So far you have been reading a time to a 5 minute correctness. We shall now reading the time to the exact minute. When the minute hand moves from a one number to the next, 5 minutes have passed. How many minutes? So dear all, so far you have been reading time to 5 minute correctness. We shall now reading time to the exact minute. When the minute hand moves from a one number to next, 5 minutes have passed. So all dear, when the minutes hand moves from a one number to the next, 5 minutes have passed. So all my dear students, when the minute hand moves from a one number to the next, 5 minutes have passed. Understood all? The lines between the two numbers each present a minute. When the number head moves from a one line to the next, 1 minute has passed. So my dear all students, now I am going to be draw here one things for you all. Understood all? Now I am going to be draw one things for you. Got my points all dear? You have to write all things here. Its time is what all dear? You have to draw with me all dear. And then after all dear, 3 is here. My points all dear. So what they all presenting here is the 15 minutes. How many minutes are there here? Here is a 15 minutes. Got my points all dear? 1, 5, 15 minutes is here. And here is 16 minutes. Like that my dear students, we are going to be draw all dear students a minutes. Okay, means exact a minute. Understood all? After a 10 is 11, 12, 30, 14 and 15. How many my dear all students? You have to note down this thing: 16, 5, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Then after a 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and here is the 30 minutes, and 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, and 55 minutes, and last is 16 minutes. Got my points all here? You have to draw all things in your book. Understood all? What I am telling you have to write all things in your book. So note down these things in your book dear all. Do fast. So now my dear students, see here. Okay, after a 16 means what is a written is here there. 16 is here. Here is 16. Got my points or dear? 16. And 16 after is coming a 1. 1. Then after it's presenting a 2. And then after it's presenting 3 dear. Got my points all dear? Then after 4. Then after is here beer Then after last is, my dear all students, 5. Got my points? That is a very important for us, and you have to draw all things in your book. Note down these things in your book, my dear students. Do fast. I hope you all are understood, all dear. Understood? I hope you all are understood. And in homework, you have to write the times in 2 ways. Understood? Got my points? Okay. So my dear students, in next lecture compulsory you have to note down the homework, and then after we are going to telling the time in 2 ways in next lecture. Understood? Okay. I hope you all are understood. Thank you so much, my dear students, for watching this video. Thank you all.